Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we dive deep into the world of technical analysis and current events to understand market trends. Today is November 6, 2024, and we're taking a close look at Bitcoin to see if it's going to break out to new highs or succumb to bearish pressure. Let's start by examining the latest news and events impacting the crypto market. The recent U.S. presidential election has brought significant volatility to the crypto market, with investors placing substantial bets on the outcome. Prediction markets like Polymarket and Kalsher witnessed significant trading volumes exceeding $4 billion related to the presidential race. Polymarket, despite restrictions on U.S. bettors, saw over $3.3 billion in trading volume. The election's outcome holds significance for the crypto industry, as legislation like the Financial Innovation and Technology for the 21st Century Act, FIT21, may be prioritized depending on the control of Congress. Bitcoin's price remains subdued below $69,000 on election day, indicating cautious market sentiment. Analysts believe increased volatility post-election could benefit Bitcoin's price trajectory, particularly if a Trump victory occurs. Some analysts suggest a potential Trump win could pave the way for the next Bitcoin rally, although a Harris victory could also lead to positive developments. The U.S.-based Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, experienced their second-largest day of outflows on November 4th, with a net outflow of $541.1 million. This outflow followed 7 consecutive days of inflows and is the largest since May 1st, when outflows reached $563.7 million after Bitcoin's 10.7% decline. The recent market sentiment suggests traders are reducing their crypto exposure ahead of the U.S. election, with Bitcoin's price falling 4.6% over the past 7 days. Current polls indicate a close race, with Kamala Harris leading by 1.2 percentage points according to 538 data from November 4th. Now, let's transition to the technical analysis and see what the charts are telling us. Taking a look at the daily chart, we can see that Bitcoin has been consolidating around the $69,000 level for the past few days. This suggests that there's a lot of indecision in the market, with neither the bulls nor the bears taking control. However, we can see a potential trend reversal emerging. The recent decline from the $73,750 all-time high has brought Bitcoin to a critical support level around $68,000. If Bitcoin manages to hold above this level, it could indicate a bullish reversal, potentially pushing prices back towards the $70,000 level. On the other hand, if Bitcoin breaks below the $68,000 support level, it could signal a continuation of the bearish trend. Moving to the 1-hour chart, we can zoom in on the last few days of trading and see some interesting price action. We can see that Bitcoin has been forming a series of lower highs and higher lows, which is a classic sign of consolidation. This suggests that the market is still trying to find direction. Looking at the recent price action, we can see that Bitcoin has been bouncing between the $68,000 and $69,000 levels. This range represents a key area of support and resistance. The bulls are trying to push Bitcoin back above the $69,000 level, while the bears are trying to drag it below $68,000. It's important to watch the volume levels during this consolidation period. If we see high volume on bullish breakouts, it could indicate a strong move higher. However, if we see low volume on these breakouts, it could signal a false break. Let's now shift our focus to the 15-minute chart and see if we can gain any further insights. The 15-minute chart provides us with a more granular view of Bitcoin's price action. We can see that Bitcoin has been moving sideways for the past few hours, with a series of small candles. This is a further indication of the indecision in the market. However, we can see that the bulls are trying to establish a new support level around $69,200. If Bitcoin manages to hold above this level, it could indicate a strong bullish sentiment, potentially pushing prices higher. On the other hand, if Bitcoin breaks below the $69,200 level, it could signal a continuation of the consolidation period, or even a downward move. It's important to note that the current market conditions are very volatile. With the U.S. presidential election in the rearview mirror, we're likely to see some significant shifts in the crypto market. It's important to monitor the news closely, as any developments in regulation or economic conditions could have a major impact on Bitcoin's price. In conclusion, Bitcoin is currently in a state of flux. The daily chart shows a potential trend reversal, with Bitcoin hovering around a critical support level of $68,000. The 1-hour chart reveals a consolidation pattern, with Bitcoin bouncing between support and resistance levels around $68,000 and $69,000. The 15-minute chart highlights a possible new support level around $69,200. Volume levels will be a key indicator of market strength during this consolidation period. If we see high volume on breakouts, it could indicate a strong move in that direction. However, if we see low volume on breakouts, it could signal a false break. Overall, the market remains volatile, and it's crucial to stay informed about any news or events that could impact Bitcoin's price. The price of Bitcoin is likely to remain volatile in the short term, with the possibility of a breakout to new highs or a continuation of the consolidation period. It's important to monitor the key price levels we've discussed: the $68,000 support level on the daily chart, the $68,000 and $69,000 range on the 1-hour chart, and the $69,200 support level on the 15-minute chart. Volume levels will be crucial for identifying true breakouts. Remember to stay updated on the news and events that could impact the crypto market and make informed trading decisions.